This Remax Ultimate Coastal Properties property video is presented by Katie Hensley. Beach living in an all-ages park. Large kitchen with great counter space and lots of storage. Kitchen opens into living room with vaulted ceilings. Split master and guest bedroom, laundry with washer/dryer, sun porch and an enclosed storage room. Space rent is $425 per month and covers water/garbage/sewer. This one's in need of a little mending. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Hensley at 541-425-7494.